Ramesh, mathematical faculty, having more than 5 years experience in mathematics. Today we will discuss about the trigonometric topic. Trigonometric. Trigonometric, it is the Greek word. In this, three words are there. Combination. It is the combination of the three words. So that is tri means three in English word three. Next, gona or gonia means angles. Metri or metron means measurements. Measurements. This is the measurements of the three angles of a triangle. It deals about the only right angle triangle. Here, right angle triangle. If we take A, B, C as the right angle triangle, here right angle at B, that means 90 degrees at angle B. Next, if we take this as theta, this is the opposite side of that theta. This side we call it is opposite side. Opposite side of angle theta. Next, this is the hypotenuse. That means longest side and opposite side of the 90 degrees. We call it is hypotenuse. Next, this is the adjacent to theta is adjacent side of angle theta. This is the right angle triangle. Depends on angle theta. This is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. If we suppose another right angle triangle is like this, if it is, this is the theta, same as A triangle A B C. Here B at 90 degrees. If this is theta, this is the opposite side of the theta. Opposite side is changes. Next, this is the adjacent side of theta. Next, longest side and opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is common for both, but opposite side, adjacent side, interchange depends on the theta. If it is theta, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent side. If here it is theta, this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side. Next we discuss about the trigonometric ratios. We have 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Next, cosec theta, secant theta, cot theta. These are all the trigonometric ratios. So ratio means it has the numerator and denominator. Likewise, next see, this is the ratio. Ratio of what means opposite side by hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. This is the ratio of opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse side. Next, this is the ratio of opposite by adjacent hypotenuse. So next, cos theta is the opposite side is over next adjacent side. This is the ratio of adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse side. Next, tan theta. It is the ratio of opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. Next, these three are and these three are ratios are reciprocal of these three ratios. So that means reciprocal means inverse. That means sin is, if you want to cosec theta, this is the reciprocal of this one. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Reciprocal means here cosec theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. This is the reciprocal. Sin theta, inverse of sin theta, that means reciprocal of sin theta. Here sin 1 by sin theta, if we divide this 1 by this one, that is equal to, it will get reverse. That means hypotenuse side by opposite side of the theta. Next, secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. That means reversal of the cos theta. That equal to reversal of this one. That is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side of the angle theta. Next, cot theta is equals to reversal of the tan theta. That equal to 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta. That equal to, here 1 by reversal of this means adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side of theta by opposite side of angle theta. Next, coming to the, here AB is the opposite side. Next, BC side is the adjacent side. AC side is the hypotenuse side. Here sin theta means opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse side. Opposite side of theta, this means what? AB. This is equals to AB by hypotenuse means AC. AC. Next, cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side means BC. That equal to BC by hypotenuse side means AC. Next, here tan theta is equals to opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of theta. Opposite side means AB by adjacent side means BC. Next, coming to the, here cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta means reversal of the sin theta. Here also reversal. Next, this will get also reverse. That means AC by AB. Next, secant theta is equals to reversal of cos theta. That means 1 by hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse means here AB, AC. Next, adjacent side is BC. That means AC by BC. Here also reversal of this one. That means BC by AB. BC is the adjacent side, AB is the opposite side of the theta. Next, coming to the, next we discuss about the Pythagoras theorem. It is the Pythagoras theorem means the ratio. That means deals with the trigonometric. That means right angle triangle. Here hypotenuse side is equals to, that means hypotenuse side square. Hypotenuse square is equals to the adjacent square plus opposite square. Here hypotenuse means AC. AC whole square, that equal to adjacent side means BC square plus opposite side means AB square. This is the definition of the Pythagoras theorem, formula for Pythagoras theorem. Next coming to the trigonometric identities. In this we have three trigonometric identities are there. First one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. These are all the three formulas, basic formulas in trigonometry. Next, see here, proving of this formula from the Pythagoras theorem. Here sin theta means from the Pythagoras theorem. I am proving this formula from the Pythagoras theorem. Here Pythagoras theorem formula is what? AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. Or else we can write this as AB square plus BC square. This is the equation. If we divide this one with AC square on both sides, that is AC square by AC square, that equal to AB square plus BC square by AC square. Here AC square gets cancelled. That equal to remaining 1 Next, here two fractions are there. If we split these two, that is AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. Here 1 is equals to AB square by AC square. We can write AB by AC whole square plus BC square by AC square. We can write BC by AC whole square. From previous one, here AB by AC is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is what? Sin theta. That means 1 is equals to, this is what? Sin theta. Square means sin square theta. This square is there, right? That's why sin square theta. Here BC by AC. BC means what? Adjacent side. AC means hypotenuse. BC by AC means adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equals to cos theta. Here square means cos square theta. This is the derivation for this one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Next coming to this one. See, secant square theta minus tan square theta. These also we can prove from the Pythagoras theorem. Here from Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. Here we can write BC is equals to, if we take AB square here, this side, it will become minus. Here it is plus, it will become minus after taking this here. Next, then BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. Here BC is one side, AC square and AB square is one side. Divide both sides, so BC square on both sides. Then BC square by BC square, that equal to AC square minus AB square by BC square. Here BC square gets cancelled, remaining 1, that equal to, if we split these two or decompose these two fractions, then AC square by BC square. Here AC square BC square we can write AC by BC whole square minus AB by AB square by remaining AB square by BC square. AB square by BC square we can write AB by BC whole square also. Then 1 is equals to AC by BC. AC means what? Hypotenuse side. BC means adjacent side. Hypotenuse side by adjacent side. That is the reciprocal of the cos theta. That is what? Secant theta. Next, AB by BC. AB means what? Opposite side. BC means what? Adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side, that equal to, in previous one, that is what? Tan theta. Here square means tan square theta. This is one formula. Next coming to this one. This is also we can prove from the Pythagoras theorem. Here Pythagoras theorem means AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. We can observe from here. Here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. First of all, first one we can divide. We are dividing with only AC square. Next, dividing we are dividing with BC square. AC square is over, BC square is over, remaining is what? AB square. In this we can get AB square equal to something equation. Then afterwards we can divide both sides with AB square. Here AB square means what? BC square coming this side is, it will become negative. That means AC square minus BC square. Divide on both sides with AB square. Divide AB square on both sides. Next, this is AB square by AB square, that equal to AC square minus BC square by AB square. Next, AB square gets cancelled, remaining that equal to 1. Here AC square we can split the two fractions into AC square by AB square. That means AC square by AB square, we can write AC by AB whole square also. Remaining one is BC square. Here BC square by AB square, we can write BC by AB whole square also for this. 1 is equals to AC by AB. AC means what? Hypotenuse. AB means what? Opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. It is the reversal of the sin theta. Sin theta is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. That reversal is what? Cos theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Here cosec theta. This is what? Cosec theta. Here square means cosec square theta. Minus this is BC by AB. BC means what? Adjacent side. By AB means what? Opposite side. Adjacent by opposite side. That is the reversal of the tan theta. Tan theta reversal is what? Cot theta. Here BC by AB means cot theta. Cot theta here square means cot square theta. This is the one formula. Next we will discuss about the reciprocals. That means sin theta is equals to reciprocal of what? Cosec theta. Next cos theta is the reciprocal of secant theta. Next tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Next see, sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, right? If you take this one, this is here, that means sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Multiplication of the sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 compulsory. Next here sin theta and cosec theta, sin theta cos theta is equal to reversal of the, that means reciprocal of the secant theta. If you take secant theta is here, then cos theta into secant theta that equal to 1. Next tan theta is the reciprocal.